I'm here at Niemer Ram in Queensbury, New York, checking out a very unique looking truck. This is a Warlock Ram 1500. But what makes this one especially unique is the color. This is an olive green. With all those blacked out badges. Nice black bed liner. But we really liked this olive and black combination. So we ordered this one specifically from the factory in this color. I don't know that we've had any others, and I don't recall ever seeing any on the road. But again, this is olive, and everything's matte black on it. It's got that Ram 1500 classic body style, but this is the Warlock edition. Great looking truck. If you don't want to spend money and get the Rebel or, of course, the TRX, which whole different animal there. But, you know, if you're looking for that more aggressive looking truck without spending all the money, the Warlock, definitely something you should take a look at. We've only got a couple left right now. This is the only one in olive. It says the 6-seat configuration. You can see all the details for this vehicle online, NiemerCJDR of Queensbury.com. That's NiemerCJDR of Queensbury.com. A 2021 Ram 1500 Warlock Edition. Or come see us at 728 Quaker Road in Queensbury. Thanks for taking a look.